Hey Kansas City, we hope you have had a fabulous summer. And before we dive into our parks being full of fall festivals, want to pause just to review the July housing market stats and our question of the month. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams. And when we look year to date from July 2023 to July 2022, we saw 17.2% less homes sold overall in the Kansas City area, with that number hitting around 20% less in Johnson County. Now, the average price in Kansas City went up 3.7%, with Johnson County seeing a 7.1% increase in the average price. Our inventory overall is currently about 1.5 months, which means if no other homes went for sale, the current number of homes would be sold in a month and a half. So very much still a seller's market. Now, our number one question is, how are buyers purchasing homes with the current interest rate? Well, you may be surprised to know that the average interest rate from 1971 through 2023 is actually 7.74%. When we look at the highest year of interest rates being 18.63 in 1981 and the lowest interest rate being 2.65 in 2021. So lenders have options for ARM loans, rate buy downs, and even no cost refis in the next year or two. If you're curious about buying, selling, or investing in real estate, we are happy to help. And stay tuned for more of the fun fall festivals we'll be enjoying, and hope to see you there as well.